Yo, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I find my drone liquidity. So, on the daily, we just see the bias, and on the 4 hour, you're going to see the narrative or the drone liquidity. So, for example, let's just say, where are we going to say? Okay, here, this last one. If you see, hold on, yeah, here. So, here, it did took this low. So you're gonna anticipate to this high. Why? Because always the 4 hour is gonna be like external, internal, external, internal. If we say it internal to external, we can say this fair value gap. Always the PDR race with the bias. Then if we see this got respected, then at 10 a.m., at 10 p.m., maybe at 10 a.m. something, just our target will be till here. We're not gonna be greedy. We're not gonna close early, but we'll hold. So then after it took it, it didn't break. It just went up, swept, then close here. So our next liquidity, next drawn liquidity will be here. Again, it just swept, but it after sweeping it went down. So our target gonna be here again. What it did nothing. It just went and reversed that to the same liquidity. Yeah. Always we're not gonna be like we're gonna not choose to be perfect. Always we're gonna accept loss and be just with the flow. So stop that at, let's say it's just stopped us. So coming to the another day. When you come at 10, for example, this is 10, yeah? 10 Wednesday, December 25. So if we seen it took the high, this high, then we see like a sweep. So we know that the target will be here. So at 10 a.m. ish, we're gonna find any PDR race here. Then we will go lower. Before I was told that if the candle, you know the power of three, yeah? I just wanted to see like, I didn't, for example, just guys, follow me because I don't use context. I use just like a free will, So for example, here it's just swept, but it didn't match the bias. We are going head to this, but it's made like the power of three sweep, then go up. But now I was just, if I saw this, I will look for bias and always will get stopped. But no, now I'm getting better. So for example, we just on the 4 hour, when we see this kind of sweeps or power of three forming CRT, if it not aligned with the narrative and bias, don't use it. So after sweeping this, our target always will be here. So it will attack again, swept. So our target will be this these three highs, because it just formed like a, what do you call it, like a liquidity. Yeah, yeah. So it went and sweep the high, these two highs. When it sweeps like old highs, like old highs, it will move so much. As you see, it went to take this low, this low, and this low. Yeah. So it took these three lows. So after taking, it swept and made this, what do you call it? It's like a engulf candle, like an order block kind of look. But yeah, there is something here. As you see, this fair value gap got formed. Before it get invest, no looking for entries because our bias will be bullish till this high. But no, we just invest, yeah. So our entry will be here. We doesn't want to look like we doesn't want to look that it will make retrace then go up. No, we just, for example, if we went to the 1 minute 1 hour, where is it? Yeah, let's say it invest, yeah. If we continue with the 1 hour, there is a 1 hour fair gap here, 1 p.m. So the, where is it? Okay, so yeah, as you see, it went, when we mark the Fibonacci from here to here, because it didn't take this low, it went higher, yeah. If we marked it, we can see that it went deep discount, so it will go very high too fast, and it just invest this for value gap and went higher, but didn't catch it, because if you say why, S&P might catch at 11, yeah, as you see here. Am I right? Yeah. So S&P took it, so it made like a SMT. So it will go lower. After making SMT, we just gonna see some PD array got disrespect. For example, actually, just if we went to the 30 minutes, when I see this kind of stuff, I went to the 30 minute, you can always predict it. For example, here, let's open this indicator. Sorry, it's opening. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Just I can't find it, bro. So let's get to the point that here, yeah, it went higher, and we see maybe it's, where is it? Let me see. Okay, this is New York. Okay, Okay, so this is kind of near London. I think London, yeah. Okay, so let's just say this is London. Okay, this is Asia. This is London, and this is from where to where. This is New York. So I don't know the time frames because I use this indicator. But yeah, so it formed like kind of power of three here. So we're gonna see the sessions and see which PDRAs got disrespected after the SMT. If we see here, both fair value gaps got disrespected and got respected at the same time. So there is kind of like, what do you call this? What they call it? It's like a consolidation, but break, bottom break or something. Some SND traders do it. Just it disrespected everything and went to a bearish sentiment. So this is a clear coming. Like, look, there is a break of structure here. It's obvious that it is bearish. So we're gonna look from here to here. Yeah, as you see, it didn't went to extreme or equilibrium, but there is one fair value gap here, and like going to the 30 minutes. Yeah, come on. I think there is kind of, where is it? So this is New York. Damn, like look, consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. Again, I entered here, yeah, in the previous one. So from here to here, I didn't hold till here, but I hold till here. It was a very good setup. Yeah, clean one. But as you see, it always just to be with the bias and narrative. Yeah. So another drone liquidity. After taking, for example, after taking this low, it swept. Yeah. But but coming to the 1 hour or something, you can see that it didn't disrespect any of these. Coming to 30 minutes, it didn't disrespect nothing. It just went to discount. If we said that it will disrespect, we should see the first fair value gap, because sometimes when it formed one, like two or multiple fair value gaps, the most wanted one is the first, because all the liquidity are there, in my perspective. Yeah. So first of all, it didn't sweep that much. It just took like a break of structure in the, as you see here. If we say sweep, we just not gonna see this body, this big candle, but it did. So it we're gonna say like it will be like a break of structure. Consider it as a break of structure. It went up to the to the, I think, 60 level discount or equilibrium, kind of. Yeah, 60 level. Yeah. So golden zone and went down. So yeah, this is how I found it, and I'll upload another vids how I find my drawn liquidity.